I've been working too damn hard not to get it. I've been grinding for too long for friendships. If I ever feel it, then I gotta pen it. And if I talk it, then I live it. I've been working too damn hard not to get it. I've been grinding for too long for friendships. If I ever feel it, then I gotta pen it. They all know that I keep that shit a million. KVM, I say fuck all that friendship. I keep my crew tight and stay in double B shit. I live that for life. You don't ask what it mean. There's no brother behind me. Keep up the grind for I run out of time. With myself, gotta keep applying all the pressure. It's a cold world, little nigga, get a sweater. Keep the hate yourself, cause I know I'm doing it better. My drip is on the forecast, so I'm predicting the weather. I've been working too damn hard, but I keep that under the radar. And you ain't on my team if you ain't bring that to the table. I stick by loyalty and I'll take that to the graveyard. Questioning your loyalty, yeah, this shit get fatal. Yeah, this shit getting fatal. I've been working too damn hard not to get it. I've been grinding for too long for the friendships. If I ever feel it, then I gotta pen it. And if I talk it, then I live it. I've been working too damn hard not to get it. I've been grinding for too long for the friendships. If I ever feel it, then I gotta pen it. They all know that I keep that shit a million. KVM, fuck what they saying, we keep that shit real. We cannot tell no lies, we rep that TNL. Let them talk all they want because they taking L's. Let them get in they chest, but it's fuck how they feel. Yeah, it's fuck how they feel, cause a young nigga ruthless. He the reason I smash, he the reason I do this. Brothers got my back when I'm going through it. I know that we gon' be straight cause my brothers get into it. I told you once, won't tell you twice, that's already too many times. I will make it known if you step out of line. I'm above average, swear that I'm one of a kind. Never forget, it's no brother behind. I've been working too damn hard not to get it. I've been grinding for too long for the friendships. If I ever feel it, then I gotta pen it. And if I talk it, then I live it. I've been working too damn hard not to get it. I've been grinding for too long for the friendships. If I ever feel it, then I gotta pen it. They all know that I keep that shit a million. It's KVM.